Hey, what's up everyone? It's Frankie with meekspace.com. I thought I'd take a moment to show the friends how to download files through the iSilo app. A lot of the friends have wondered how to do that. Now this is for Apple devices, so the iPad or the iPhone. So what you'll need to do is go into your iSilo application. Once you have that up and running, I always just make sure that I'm clicked on device here at the bottom. You got some tabs at the bottom: recent, updated, categorized, favorites, and device. I always tap on the device just to make sure I'm at my home space. And then from here, in the top right corner, you have three dots. So go ahead and click on that. You want to choose download, and you want to choose URL. Now it's going to take you to your home page, which is generally the iSilo home page. What you want to do is just click in the field up there and erase what's there and type in www.box.com/meekspace, and you'll go ahead and hit done, and it should take you to the web page where the box share is at. And it'll change your link over to a mobile link, but that's fine. Now the first thing I would do here is hit at the bottom of the screen. I would hit the plus sign and I would call this box share. This is just making a favorite, so you don't always have to type this. Then you just hit save. Now if we were to just show you what that's going to do for you, if you just hit done and go back to iSilo, if you go to the dot and then you go to download URL, again it's going to take you to either your home page or where you last left off. But if you were at your home page, you could hit the little booklet, and then you could push your hot link that we create, and it would take you right there without typing anything. Anyway, so that's that part of it. Now here in the window, it's going to ask you to log in with a password. So you'll just click in the little please enter the password to this share here. And the password is constantly changing, so you get the password at meekspace.com. So make sure you always go to meekspace.com and get the most recent password. So you'll enter the password that you've been given, and make sure you hit the submit button. You don't want to hit the sign up or the log in. You want to hit the submit button. That'll go ahead and log you into the box share. Now keep in mind, we're doing this from iSilo, so the only files you can download through this method are iSilo files. So you'll go ahead and go into iSilo, and you'll choose your language. If you're going to get the Watchtower Library files, you'll go into the Watchtower Library folder, and you'll want to download all 4 of these files. We're not going to do that today, because those are a little bit larger files. I'm just going to download something that's just a little bit smaller. Let's see. So I'm going to get the Examining the Scriptures Daily here. So we'll click on it, and it'll give us the opportunity to download. So we've got a little download link here. So we'll just hit download. Now it's going to pop up a window and ask us, where do you want to save that download at? Now, I usually put my stuff in a Theocratic folder that I've created, but most people's default folder is going to be the iSilo. So you can, put it in any place that you want, but I'm going to go ahead and put the Examining the Scriptures in. In fact, I'm going to actually put it in iSilo because I know I don't have that in there, and I won't overwrite a file. So you just hit save, and it'll save the document. Now if you hit yes here, it's going to go ahead and try to open up that document. And so from that point on, you can go ahead and read the document. At the bottom you can hit document list and device to make sure you come back. You notice I'm in the inbox. If I were to go hit the up arrow and go into the iSilo, you notice there's the file I downloaded. So you always want to hit this up arrow. If there's an up arrow, that means you're not at the root of the directory. If there's not an arrow, you're at the root, and then you can go into your different folders. You can always hit the dot here, and you can do a new folder if you want. You can add as many folders as you want, and there's your folder there. And so that's kind of how you move around inside of iSilo. But the critical thing is using the ... the download, going to URL, and going to box from within this space here. This will allow you to download your files right into iSilo so you don't have to go find them. And sometimes that would help friends. So I hope this tutorial has helped you using iSilo on your Apple device to get files from the box share.